The team are lining up in a 4-4-2 formation. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. Moving down the flanks here. Oh, wonderful trickery here. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. Played in field. Now this could be costly. Lost inside. Player's not happy with that decision, but he did seem to stray. Oh, that one looked tight. Let's see the replay. Oh, he fancies his chances from here. The defender could be in trouble here. He loves to run with the ball. And there it is. Goal. Great finish there. It's a hard skill to master. But to pull off a fine volley like that, and you're always going to be troubling the goalkeeper. Well, let's have a look at that one again. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway. Played wide. Gets the shot in. He got a bit too much, I think. Let's see that one again. Launched upfield by the keeper. Passed well. A missed challenge there. Now this could be costly. Great chance here. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Keeper sends it long. Oh, he did really well there. Oh, look at... Oh, he shoots. Goodness me, that was close. Shoots. He got a good man behind that. And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. Timed. Striker's ball. And he's looking for the just the goalkeeper to beat now. And this is a world-class finish. Let's have a look at that one again. Have finished celebrating and we're back underway. It's with the striker. He's onside here. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. Oh, what a finish. Into the bottom corner. Decisive. Well, let's take another look at that. Official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. It's just one after the other. space, and that's a throw-in. No cards from the... He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. And he shoots. Oh, it is a fantastic goal. This one will be a joy to look back on. Smashed into the top corner. Let's see that one again. It's now 4-0. Determined challenge there. Referee calls play back for an offside. Oh, that one looked tight. Let's see the replay. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. They're not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. He's found an opening, and that's his hat-trick. He's been unstoppable today. It's his hat-trick, and he claims the match ball. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. It's becoming a bit embarrassing competition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player. One shot. Oh, great save. Corner kick now. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. And that's into the box. They're winning, but they're still going for more goals. Forward from the keeper. The repeat, he shoots, and it's hard into the bottom corner. Let's see that one again. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. And the referee gets the game going again. Oh, well timed. Great dribbling. Striker's ball. He tries something special. The keeper's blocked that one. Corner kick now. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Aim towards a penalty spot. Easy decision here. It's a goal kick. Keeper sends it long. Williams. Oh, determined challenge there. Defenders and he shoots. Now that really was some finish. And this is a world-class finish. Let's take another look at that. The goals are flying in here, and he'll be chuffed with adding another. Great footwork there. The assistant kept his optimistic effort, and the keeper really glad that wasn't on target. I'm not sure he'd have got to that. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. The fourth official has indicated 3 minutes of stoppage time. Player's not happy with that decision, but he did seem to stray slightly offside.
Thôi. Đấy.
So cool, we're too young, but we're so in love. Hands underneath the table. Tell my daddy you're the one. Who are you? What have we done? Fast cars, we know better, but it's so side by side when you walked in the room. It feels like the first time I've ever seen the moon. And we died side by side. This is what I'm feeling. This is what I'm feeling. We're freewheeling. This is what I'm feeling. This is what I'm feeling. We're freewheeling. Take me away to places only we know. Only we go.
The manager is bringing two players on. It's with the striker. That's good link-up play. Striker's ball. Has a dig. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. It's just one full time here. Some tantalising football on display and a comfortable win for this team.
就这个时速吗？